this video, I'm going to show you how to verify your identity on the IRS website step by step. First, go to the official IRS website and navigate to the identity verification page. You'll need to have your personal information ready, including your full name, social security number, date of birth, and the exact amount of your most recent tax refund or payment. Next, follow the prompts to answer identity verification questions based on your financial history, such as past addresses or loans, or upload any required documents like a government issued ID. Make sure your internet connection is secured because the IRS uses encryption to protect your sensitive data. After submitting your information, the system will confirm your identity immediately in many cases, but sometimes it may take a few days for the IRS to review your submission. Once your identity is verified, you'll be able to access your IRS online account, check your refund status, and manage other tax related tasks safely. So that's it.